I had gone to another dentist, one of those places that you go to that advertise cheap dentistry, and so I had gone there and had some problems, and I didn't feel like my needs were being addressed or things like that. So I basically had quit. I had the process already started, and I quit going. I felt so uncomfortable there that I just stopped. And so it got to a point where I just felt like I needed to find somebody to help, and I was driving down 77 and saw the sign, and felt like that was an answer to a prayer, and called and made an appointment and came in and talked to Dr. Wright. And one of the very first things he said to me was addressing one of the concerns that I had that I felt that the other people had not addressed. And I didn't even tell him about it. And the very first thing, he looked at me and told me, what my problem was. So I felt like I'd found the right place. I basically couldn't eat anything that involved too much chewing. My teeth were in bad shape, and then when I had them pulled and had the dentures, they didn't fit correctly either. So I was in a situation where it was just my health was being affected because I couldn't eat properly, and so that was a big issue that I needed to get fixed. Right. Well, I was concerned because of maybe pain, and they had gotten me prescriptions for pain meds if I addressed it, but I actually never really had a lot of the pain that I anticipated. It was an easy recovery. Within a month, I was traveling, going places, and doing things that I hadn't been doing before. So. Man, I have my smile back. I'm not afraid to smile. I have to work on remembering to actually smile and show all my teeth because they look great, and I'm happy about that. And also, I'm able to eat foods that I wasn't able to eat before. It just has given me more self-confidence in talking to people and dealing with people. I was always, making sure that I didn't show my mouth, so that was a big plus in doing that. And I've enjoyed going to the dentist. I enjoyed seeing the people here. They made me feel comfortable, and I can't wait to go to my next appointment. Well, one thing that was very important to me, that they explained everything that was going to happen, so that I felt at ease when it was time to have the procedure done. And so everything was laid out. They told me what to expect, how I was going to feel, what my recovery was going to be, all of that, so that I didn't have a lot of anticipation anxiety. And so that they all went out of their way to help me feel comfortable. Kelly was great in helping me before time and making sure I had all the information and going over it with me. She's just been wonderful. It's nice to be in this office with her. I appreciate her a lot. I would recommend him because of his knowledge and expertise of the field that he's in. He's constantly learning and trying to make sure he's doing the right thing for his patients. He does make his patients feel at ease. He's funny, he makes you relaxed, and he's just very supportive, so I recommend him. But because he's good at what he does, and that's one of the reasons why I would definitely recommend him. Thank you for giving my smile.